friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make Korean sauce cauliflower recipe. Hope you like it.
Cauliflower cooked this way is delicious. It goes well with rice or as a snack. You can buy ready-made Korean hot sauce. The brand I use is delicious. Let's cooking. Cauliflower with Korean sauce. Ingredients: cauliflower, Korean spicy sok, cut or hand break cauliflower into florets. Wash and drain cauliflower. Let's prepare batter with flour and water. Mix cauliflower with batter. Place baking paper on air fryer basket and brush cooking oil on baking paper. Air fryer cauliflower. Place cauliflower into bowl and mix with Korean spicy sauce. Let's eat. Cauliflower is delicious, give it a try. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. Yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Some people's skin will turn blue and purple once they are slightly bumped or hurt. This is because the body lacks vitamin K. The best way to supplement it is to eat more cauliflower. Regular consumption of cauliflower can also strengthen the blood vessel wall, making it less likely to rupture. Cauliflower is also very rich in vitamin C, so eating more cauliflower can not only enhance the liver's detoxification ability, but also effectively improve the body's various immune abilities, and also has a certain preventive effect on colds and scurvy. Since cauliflower contains over 90% water and is low in calories, 23 to 32 kilocalories per cup, it can fill your stomach without making you fat for people who want to lose weight. Smiling face. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.